The trend is your friend. I want y'all to remember that. The trend is your friend. Right now, the stock market is trending upwards, right? So let me show you what I mean by trending upwards. VTI is a total stock market index, and VTI, hold on, let me draw these trend lines. VTI is trending upwards. So that's the first thing you want to look at when you're looking at a chart. You want to look at the way the stock is trending, right? But also on VTI, before I look at the stock, I look at what direction I think the stock market is going to go. This was today. That's what the stock market did. So we got that body and we got wicks. When you see wicks and body, that means that the stock market tried to go up, or the stock market went up, but there was the stock market at some point tried to go down, and there was a lot of pressure going down, right? I mean, a lot of pressure going up. So whenever you see them wicks at the bottom, that means that it tried to go down, but the pressure pushed it back up. You know what I'm saying? So that's bullish signal for tomorrow, meaning the stock market should be up tomorrow. Okay. So that's the total market. Y'all know I like to do my examples on AMD. So we pulling out the chart on AMD. AMD on a daily chart. We got a long wick at the bottom, y'all. Long wick. It tried to go down today, but that buying pressure pushed it back up. On top of that, if you look at our MACD indicator, we got a lot of bullish action going on. So look like AMD going up tomorrow, right along with the stock market. Okay, now let's pull out some patterns. You got to go to the smaller time frame to pull out the patterns, right? So what I see right here, I see an inverse head and shoulders. And the inverse head and shoulders is just like the head and shoulders, except reversed. So it's not a confirmed pattern until it breaks the neckline, right? Which goes to my next thing, which is the support and resistance levels, right? I always draw 3. And right now we are currently at a level, right? So even though I plan for the stock to go up tomorrow, we are currently at a resistance level, which means we could go down. So what else we looking at for a downward movement? We looking at support right there. We looking at support right there. We looking at support, closing the gap. I like to look at gap fills as support. So we got our 3. So we got our 3 support. Now let's look at resistance. Strong resistance right there. Strong resistance right there. And if it want to go up, it got resistance right there. These are either take profit zones or entry zones. If it goes down to support, you can enter the trade. If it goes down to support and you're in the trade, get out of the trade. Boom. Okay. So that was the 15 minute. So that was my trade example on AMD. The stock market as a whole should be going up tomorrow, and so is AMD should be going up tomorrow. So if I haven't said it earlier, somewhere on the screen, I'm gonna show y'all what the Fibonacci retracement looks like, and use the Fibonacci retracement as your support and resistance levels, just like I draw out on the chart. Y'all get this money, man, and don't let the stock market get your money. Like and subscribe.